Tinubu don tell Nigeria say make dem continue taking baby step. I no know how we fit take dis baby step, but however, the president don talk am say make una continue dey take baby step, that everything is going to be fine, you know. So he prefer that baby step. So if you never learn your own baby step, try make you buy pampers so that you go dey waka like baby, you understand. So this way now you are taking your own baby step, maybe you go get am right, you understand, as the president don put am. Wahala dey. But however, I want you to watch this video, and before we come back come continue, just watch the video make you hear am as you take talk am.
Yes, the compare mentioned separation of powers. We are to eat and not flex muscles and power. We are here to show the principle of what we are as Nigerians, brothers and sisters, living in the same house but sleeping in different rooms. And we are grateful to God for that, and we will continue to work for the unity, stability, and progress of our country. To all of you, I say thank you very much for the sustenance of democracy and the principles. And yes, democracy is realized as the best option of governance for any nation, particularly those of us born into it, in a different form, different pattern, and the multilingual society. You watch on TV sometimes and they say, okay, 500 dialects in Nigeria. No one chooses it except God gave it to them. The family in which you are born, the course of education, the talent of this country is in our hands. You and I can not be ordinary separation of power. It can only be vision that is bold and clear on the path to sustainability. Our country is in need of us and change of mindset, so that as we plan for tomorrow, for our children and grandchildren, we could always look back with pride and say we've served the nation. And then sometimes this brings me about to even think of what is the essence of in our previous and present national anthem. But what is common there is about service. I will leave the rest of my thinking to the constitutional reviewers if there be a pathway to the meaning of any other part of it, other than what we have right now. But to all of you, I saw a fantastic tunnel that seems to be straight. At the same time, if you look sideways, you see winding through it. That's Nigeria. Crawling. For me, we are taking baby steps right now. But we are going to run fast to give our children and their inheritance a very promising tomorrow. And we are going to work together to do this. You are deeply committed to humanity. We were served dinner or we went up to the queue. Sometimes I had justice is served, and sometimes they say justice is not served. How edible it is, I don't know. I was given a very good dinner, and I've enjoyed it. And I hope you have. We can work together. The economy has been challenging. The security situation is always panicky too. Nobody wants arms or any danger on his or her backyard. And no national leader will want to mortgage the future of their children. We are working hard. Yes, the bandits, just please uphold our resolve when we say kidnappers are terrorists and don't rule against us. That's the way we perceive them. That is the way we must treat them. And that is a fact that we are facing currently, unless we take very strong action against these people. They become cowardly, they have been degraded, they look for soft targets, they go to backyard of local schools, kidnap children and create disaffection. We must treat them equally as terrorists in order to really get rid of them. And I promise you, we're going to get rid of them. For review or no review as chief law officer still depending. We discussed it, we consulted. Mine to get the pen ready to sign. I've done my part. And I recognize one thing. This is most unrewarded responsibility is in the judiciary. We are yet to modernize equipment, modernize records in the judiciary. We are still crawling and working towards improvement. And then when you look at the career path of a judicial officer, they cannot practice their vocation from which they were trained after retirement. Well, the framers of the law and principle, they know reasons why they do that. So when innocent somebody like me will perceive it differently, you can't blame me. I have to see it from compensatory, fair angle that will be beneficial. And you can't say you fighting corruption and not put teeth into the spine. It's not the proper way to go. So whatever comes, accept it as it is. We look at if you have further complaints. We look at the means of taxation and see if there's any amendment that we can make for any other improvement. I don't want you to have to sit long and pay for the dinner tonight at once. It is good that we share together. I don't teach many of you, I can't teach you the Quranic explanation of what we've just done. But fairness is part of your principle, philosophy, and sharing is part of what you put together, even in the practice of your own vocation. When you say, who's presiding over what, and form a committee to review. Thank you for serving Nigeria, and thank you for making the judiciary very proud and respected. So we continue to support one another and bring Nigeria to that glorious dawn. Thank you very much.